Okay. Oi, 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 oi. Very nice coffee. Thank you. Thank you, coffee supporters. I bow in front of you. Okay, welcome back to the channel. My name is Botvidsson and I am kind of a photographer. People, and I don't call myself a photographer, but people hire me as a photographer. I have no idea why, but that's the case. And today we're going to shoot perfume bottles. Again. Haven't we done this before on this channel? At least twice, I think. But I got these two guys sent to me and I guess I need to take a shot of them. I wanted to do it a bit differently this time. So how do we start? This is just white paper. I mean white diffusion paper. It's a Savage Translume Heavyweight. By the way, I have this medium one above me here. I don't think you see it. I put translucent paper on top of this, how is it called in English? Styrofoam? Styrofoam, yeah? Frigolit, we call it in Swedish. Just put it there and then the translume paper on top, and I placed the bottles on top there. You can see, hopefully. And let's turn on this first flash. I have a flash down here actually. There is a Profoto D2 flash standing, and why is that? Well, he's shooting straight up. Because I made two holes. I think we can turn on the first flash. Head on. Ah, you see? There is light. And we can take a look again. I just made two holes so the light can shine through. And let's take the first shot. This is so beautiful. I would like to have it only like this. Because this is so beautiful. It looks like candy, you know. Don't you think it looks absolutely fantastic just like this? But maybe it's a bit dark. So I thought we have to put in one more flash. And that's the flash over here. We can put on the flash. And what do we get? Aha. It's a bit too powerful, I think. I would like to take it down. What happens if I take it down 2 stops? I want it to be very subtle. Something like this. Yes, I think will be very nice. And what is going on? Why? Maybe. Let me show you what is going on here. I have this. It's like cellophane, silver, something. You can use it to scare off the crows in your strawberry fields. And it can also work in the studio, because I just cut them and then I wrinkled them up. And to get a very subtle light, we have this flash over here, small light source, and it will hit. You can see that it comes. It hits on this. You see the light pattern going on here when I'm touching this. And I thought that this will be subtle and nice. If we take a shot once again, let's look. Yes, I think it's kind of a cool pattern. Random, but it cannot be too strong, because if I put up the power 2 stops, I think it will be, you see, we could use it like this, but I think there will be too much going on. It's better that it's a bit subtle, very low power. I want it to be very, very subtle. I want the perfume bottles to pop out, you know. But I see now that the top, the wooden caps, they're a bit too dark. So I think we need to help them by reflecting some light. Arm. Let's put this in. Take away this spigot. I can use this flash and use this plastic mirror-ish piece and reflect some light in. You know, I take light from, and then we can get some on this. What happens if I take this shot? Do we get something on the, you see, I like the one to the left, but we need to place this here somehow. The one to the left, that one needs a bit more light, I think, if possible. Let's go for this one. It looks nice. So, people, this is the small piece that I attached. This small plastic, and that one from this flash standing over here hits, you know, it hits all this silver foil pieces, and also it will hit this small piece that I just attached, and that one is reflecting down on the wooden parts of the perfume bottles. Okay, so let's take another shot to see where we are. Yeah, I think it's kind of nice. It's nice to have a bit of a spot on the wooden parts so they are not totally dark. They pop out a bit. So let's take the final shot. I will take a lot of photos. I will start from the closest focus point, and then I will go through and see how many it will be. Okay, there we have the shot. I start out with the two holes and then shooting light from below, and then it looks absolutely fantastic. But as soon as I started to add light from the top, it started to be a bit flat and boring. So I had to come up with an idea that it should be a bit subtle, and then I came up with this. I tested this part to shoot into this foil, silver foil, and then became this random pattern, very subtle light pattern, and I liked it. So, and then we added just a tiny bit on top of the wooden caps of the perfume bottles. So that's it for today, and I'd like to thank again you coffee supporters who make sure I have coffee in the studio. I'm so grateful for that, and I'd like to thank all of you other guys, all the members that signs up on my website, and also thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribing, please subscribe, and if you like this video and you find it useful, give it a thumbs up. That will help a lot. And as always, see you next time.